guys, do you remember I said I have my Build-A-Bear party on the 1st of April? What do you think this is? And I think it's a button. Look closely. If you think it's a button, it is, right? If you don't think it is, it could be nice. Well, I do like the word that you like. Cats and dogs. I have 4 aunties and 4 uncles. So 2 uncles and 2 uncles makes 4. What is 100 plus 100 plus 100? 300! What's 100 plus 100 plus 100? Come